Image PAODAM yang tabiri basung yinam Anuradha Devi na ikonona krumzari. Hauseng Maroi PAODA Impal Dimapur Lambida 24/7 matau tawada police ki GPS Highway Patrol Team DCP P Donggel na kasi hai. Unit Disability ID sabagi tharong tuna mula sarug na hosei haina SP DPO President MD Yunus Khan pondok hai. Doina lamung nada hairok panana kaksin panaka thai. Hauseng pausan ne pizari Impal Dimapur Lambida lalong rup singna chathaba yauna atai pamdaba thakto wathok sing thokpa handuna lambi asida chaliba driver amadi miyambo maning tamna chadan ma ngamnaba lambi asida 24/7 da mathau tawgadaba police ki GPS hapa highway patrol team DCP P Donggel na ngase handokre Senapati amadi Kangpopi district police da sinduna Senapati police station mamang da pangthokpa gari lamthaba ki tharoma duda ADGP Kleng Khongsai AGP IK Moiba IGP Mamta Wahingbam IGP Nisit Kumar MPTC के Assistant Director AK Jaljit Kangpopi amadi Senapati ki SP Chingyauna Maruiba Officer kaya amadi Senapati ki DC na sarugyakhi Tharomaduga mari lainana DCP P Donggel na ngasi hangdokliba tim asida GPS napa petrol gari nipa laigani petrol gari manga amana Senapati District Police ke personnel singna sizinagani aduga gari ahum amana Kangpopi District Police na sizinaduna nomada pungkumani mathau tawgani petrol gari amana National Highway asigi kilometer 10 dagi 12 phawbagi area sing yengsanbagi thabak tawgani loinana ngasi hangliba timma asina mapung phana thabak tawba matamda hana National Highway asida chatharamba lut tawba yauna pandaba thawdo wathok sing soidana thingba ngamlagani masigi mathakta lambi asida lakpa miyuishinga accident thokpa gari yakidaba yauna atai kudaki oiba kudongthiba ama lakpa matamda su police na su matam sana mateng pang mangamlagani asumna police na miyang gidamak khantuna pakhaliba thabak asina miyam amati police ke marakta su aphaba mari ama soidana saga pangamlagani maramasina Manipur police na pakhaliba asugumba thabak sing asida Manipur miyam na su mapung phana cooperation PPU haina pongdoke
From now on, we hope that things will be very different. But also, since it is our first initiative on the highway, we would also request the cooperation of the public because you are our eyes and ears. And without your help, we cannot do anything. Therefore, we really need your help and we will also try to do our best. I would also like to have a small word of advice for the people, for our boys and officers who will be in the vehicles. I know that to go out in the rain or to go out in the cold nights is not an easy thing. But when you are in the highway and you are called for duty, you must remember that you represent the whole of Manipur Police. And it may be difficult for you at that particular time, but you must always remember that what you are doing is for the good of the state and it reflects.
Nakalamaranda Lengang na pakhaliba war on drug ke manungchanna police na paikhatpa action ge manungda police personnel khara drug ka konana phaba yauriba asigi matangda paumi singna hangba wahangda DCP P Donggel da makataraduna state asidage drug maru phangna mutanaba state police na pakhaliba thabak asi yamna thamoi shengna tawgani Mafam kayadagi drug phaba haurakpa asida police personnel khara chenarakpa asi department ke maikidagi su yamna haksina lawi maram asina mamangda drug karbar tawbada senakhiba phakiba police personnel singna matam khara suspend tawramlaga thabak amu hanna hanjanbagi chanabi amaleramba adu handakti yahandanaba thabakdagi matam chuppage lawthoknaba anoba khongthak kya paikhale maram asina sigumba lainga ke anoba thorang asi khangna पुलिस अमदी अतै डिपार्टमेंट के एम्प्लॉई खुदिमंगना ngang sapi haiki
Ahanbada si thodok se yamna unfortunate because at least police people we have salary and God has been merciful to us in giving us a job which not only takes care of ourselves but takes care of our family. Adu oibanina dekhoi yam grateful oibata bane isor da government da but adu khamdena smaina tobagi all this thing has happened. Adu the recruitment the employment kamai angbano adu dagi how he is appointed from there we have to take the action. What I mean is that there are people like BDF whom we can dismiss straight away, but like in this case of this Havaldar, we have drawn up a DE, departmental inquiry, aduga adu matera chapkare bona ma nanthokpa yadepagi semning ba, otherwise if we don't do it properly court to chapkani aduga mokoi amuka somehow there will be some loopholes and book service the changani adu todena ba gi ekoi kanna departmental inquiry se yam hazan lowi
Manipurda hokiba pung kumarida mioi chamaga sumna ani covid test tawbada positive oiba amata yaukide state asigi oina pandemic lakbadagi ngasi pawbada apunba mioi lakama lesson contract rate chani contract covid positive oikre masigi manungda mioi lesson ani chamakunna lekidre ngasi mioi amanaba phaduna disaster tawbadagi apunba covid naba phakibagi masing lakama lesson contract manga chama sumna ani shure state sigi naba phabagi changna chada marpudra ni pandasmi mari mangani active case ta mioi ni palai Housing Manipur Lenga ke Social Welfare Department District Yada Silva Unit Disability ID Sabagi Thoromasida Punamana Sarukya House Haina SPDPO Manipur President MD Yunus Kana Pondorakle Mahana Makata Kibada Iramna Manipur Ladiba Disabled Singi Yapana Bagidamak Social Welfare Department District Yada Chatlaga Silva Unit Disability ID Haibadi Disabled Singi all India ke oina chanakadaba certificate paihona bage pandamda syllabus da ikoi khudemagya hosi disabilities ke ana chatok sachin tawbada kudong sataba kya mayok nariba amadi unit disability ID ase longnaba honabada awaba kya thengnariba asigi khallaga department na soinaraba singi yapanaba syllabus tharang sida support tawtuna kudong saba silla hosi hauze ke oina Unit Disability ID Assessment Camp syllabus mafam singdi megi tang taratareta Imphal West District ke Kurkul Mayai Community Hall da Tangtara Nipandana District Asige Samurau Awang Laikai Community Hall da Tangtara Mapandana Bisnupur District ki Nambol Sabal Laikai Community Hall Tangkulum Doidana Thawan District ki Thawal Wang Matabada Labor Development for Women Program Center ke office da aduga Tangkumanga dana Bisnupur District ki Kumamp Mandop Moirangdane Hanana disabilities ki certificate paidaba amadi anova certificate paiba singna asiguma anova janakadariba disabilities certificate as a paihonaba social welfare department manipurna syllabus ida disabled itin inaw khudimangna khudong sabase lahongnaba abal tawrakli Jila Sainik Churasampurna Sinduna ngasi P2 PM project in Makada Churasampur district ki jalda leriba mi kunmarida ration kit sing yanthokrai Hariba ration kit asida 10 kg kun achatau liter ani chini kg ani hawai kg ani masala packet khara amadi jamana yauri kit sing adu retail colonent NG sit hauna bandising adu da khusanaki loina ngasi gi tharamsi dalida best tawba support our heroes NGO na implement tawani hairi Lakadaruba Sirui Lily Festival ga Marilainana first edition Miss Sirui Lily Pangtholagani Haina Seven Sister Foundation of Pondorakli. Ngasi Manipur Press Club ta Pangthopa Paumisanga Unabake Thorama Mada Miss Sirui Lily ge Managing Director Miss Martina Hai Pangthokadariba events asi Sirui Festival ge history da Hanbani Masi Pangthoknaba Ayaba Pipirakpagidamak Chief Minister N Viren Okrungi MLA Rampo Miba Amadi Festival Committee Butagapa Pondorakli. Seven Sister Foundation Konghang Events Amadi Festival Committee ga Kusamna Duna Pangtokadariba Miss Siri Lily Contest Asige Audition Lagliba Tangtara Tereta Okrulda Imphal Dana Tangtara Nipan Amadi Contest Asibo Yauningba Miram da Laikiba Sangidamak online ge Kutangda Lagliba Tangtara Mapanda Audition Ase Pangtholagani Haina Pondorakli.
Miss Shirui Lily. So this is going to be the first edition of Miss Shirui Lily, although we have had Miss contest in the past years. So moving forward, we have welcomed you all just to announce this good news that it has officially been named as Miss Shiri Lily. And we would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable MLA, Mr. Ram Muivak, and to our CM, N. Biren Singh, for agreeing to this decision, and also to the two headmen of Shiri village to give the consent and then have no objections to use this name.
Longi singna lo singu tawa amade sa santal loibada sangba kusukulai sing laibada sel gi mating pinaba submission on the agriculture and mechanism SMAM highway scheme asi Manipur da so agriculture department na chanahandana lakle scheme asagi matakta handak chahi ki onaso item ko mathoi da mateng ke pinana bagi da makta notice thoktana farm machinery sing lining ba lanai longi sing natraga group singna agriculture department na piba application form ge format ta mensalaba form sang thazinduna kana ba launaba apply tawrapa yagani haide item ko mathoi asage manungda makhal khenabagi matungina makhan singa du ta pigadaba mateng subsidy chang utpagaloina na farm machinery singa atubu longi singna leiba yaba mafam sing oina Manipur agriculture department na sakhanglaba dealer farm nipan ge maming yawa list amaka tokle Kanagoma longi singna subsidy asibo pambirabadi Manipur agriculture department na thokleba list asida yawa dealer farm asidage leigadabani amasung lining ba longi sing aduna mana learning item adu agriculture department na piba format mensalaba form aduga loinana equipment adugi red quotation yauna thazilakuna apply torapa yagani haidi matang asida longi singi maike dagi lagleba wafam de agriculture department na piba subsidy ge item da yawba farm machinery sing asage mamanga department ke list da yawdaba atopa dealer farm sing da meliba mamanga chauna khenare haibasidi agriculture department na notify tawriba dealer farm singna maman heli aduga atopa notify thokpada yawtaba farm dealer singda piriba mamana tai asumna yamna chauna mamalda khenaba asina subsidy phangle haibage kanaba leishilakta asina subsidy asi kadomda chakra bage kanada piba subsidy no haibage achoba wahang singlagle Hiramasi matangda agriculture department na piriba subsidy longi singda ningthina yahuna basimbiyo haina department amadi agriculture minister gi poning singsinjari haina nongpok impal longi sinmi apunba loop nelsana thadokpa cherolamana hairi Assam Rifles Kuga battalion na IGAR South ke Miang Makhada Sinduna Jorsampur district Songdoi village danga medical camp amapang thokre Lokengi miyoy singda mating pangpagi leptana chatharapa thorampa amagi makada medical camp assistantuna basic medical check-up first aid amasung darka leba hidalang thaksing angang yauna khulgi miyanda khudung sabasang phangangki medical camp aduda ahal kuntaru amasung angang kumari hal jago tokhe Haingang ibadok marjanglai harawa loibaga mari lainana pangthokiba lam muknada hairok panana kaksang panaba thoikre Haingang ibadok marjang lai harobungda haingang ibadok marjang harowa luki ibadok marjang muna committee na sinkiba lammungna aduda hairoka panagi kundongmam jingsangka amade kaksang panagi sawaijam manichandrana mungna jatra oike lammungna adugi matangda wangangladuna haingang gram panchayat ke pradhan cha oibatana tana haingang ibadok marjang harowa luki president ke jantana hai maheroi dagi Laidaklaba mungna masana asi yokhatpada aikhoi khudimaki thodang lai masana asi bulamdam asigi mipung khudingna thamoida nungsirabasu mapan thongna masana asibu kannaba honabadadi adumak watpagum tawri tanpham basida leingake maikai dagi masana asibu yokhatpada akhanaba khongthangka ama lokhat patangai phade matam ge oina kumai herau lakpa matamda mungna sanabna lamdam asigi mungna yokhat pangam loi haiki Sports certificate ke matangda media da lana phungduki adubu international kung fu player angom binana soikibani kung fu haigadabada wushu hana haikibani haina sangdorakle ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthopa paugi mifam amada angom binana makata na hai media da sports certificate ke matangda phungdukiba adu kung fu da international thakta goal ahum laurakibani soikiba asigidamak mari leinaba amadi miyamna lana lowidanaba phungdorakle Mana makataraduna housing makso ning thaukongi wushu mangun ngambi college da oza singe makada sanajari loinana sambo combat bat wrestling goal kya lawrak pangam kre loinana soikiba asigidamak miyamna lana lobiganu haina phongdorakle
Norel amadi oza ronengi oza odoi chani makhada sanajabane ai ahanba maktada oza humoko aini kongnon kurumjari adu aina haigibada soigiba lankiba yarobasu mayamna ngapiu aigi nupa 2009 da laidaba aigi nupa se ai wakhanda blur chatana 2020 da laitena ai adu phauda ai haijagi adu soigibado ai adum isana kona thangda karino habado khangjare adu ai makhatana nupigi oina all manipur gi championship ki mungna da ai mungna jatra oi budo umrengi da ai mungna thajai aina maipak lambi purai adugi makhata bada ai Pondicherry da ai sanaba chai ai sambo kombeta ai golani lawrai adugi makhata bada ai Telangana ta ai bet wrestling-ga Pankrasan ga su golani lawrai aduga national gi ai refi bawda khanbirai adugi makhata bada ai Assam nongsam ke yam leire adu puna muktoi loina chatpa kuding mak gol adum lawrai adu uji pau su ai usu mangongan bi college te sanajabane na aina lawjara ko gondo ai usu da ne na lejabane international gi do adu pajamam ga tawragi yingo
ngasi Siripam district ki manung channa leiba Kalinagar gi Longrai Jang village da pangthokiba paugi mipam amada Longrai Jang village ke chairman P Matthew Ningna phongdorakibada ngarang noni district ki nungba gi Maryland da leiba Lanchungpai kamai jehe control doi apopa ningthau kamai kauba mioi ama jiri turenda lukibadagi ngasi phawati ba khangdana leire masida mari leinaba authority singna mateng pangbi haina paumi singa unaba matamda chairman phongdoraki makatana haikibada Lanchungpai kamai asi jiri da masage thabak amagi damakta lakibane haiki thodok ase ngarang pung 12 aduwaida thokibane thodok ase ki maltangda jirbangi DC amadi SP da Gerald Amasu Bishan Pre Haiki Rongwai Naga Council Manipur RNCM Jiribampe area amadi Kunjal Singnachu Lanchungpai Kamai Buthibada Mating Pangki Hanya Supongdoki Ngasigi Paugi Mipamasida Kunjal Singh amadi Rongwai Naga Council Manipur RNCM Jiribampe area ki members sing susaruyaki Salibata Megitang Taramangata Artist Training Cum Education and Research Center Impalna Sintana Mayaki Iriba Singh Sagliba Amadi Saibamba Singh Marakta Apava Mari Sagatpagi Tangai Padaba Haiba Hiramda Nomagi Oba Kanana Nabagi Taramba Ama Manipur Dramatic Union Gi Hall the Pangtolagani Haidiba Hiram Sida Central Activist Narendra Ningombam Watim Loi Oiduna Symposium Amasu Pangtokani Taramasida Akanga Ekiana Sagol Samp Sana Thoina Laishon Isegi Nungi Oiba Masat Amasung Ngasigi Kunaida Masigi Tangai Padaba Sanglapam Achau Sarmana Isai Mayakta Kahena Maning Tambadagi Kunaida Orapayaba Saktam Amadi Pibam Sanasam Nabadina Isai Mayak Amadi Sairengi Nungi Machat Masina Lauriba Thaudang Yumnam Surena Sairengba Saibanba Amadi Saichakpa Singi Marakta Pavamari Sagatpagi Tangai Padaba Amadi Basmati Mayum Vidyapati Sanamana Saichakpa Amak Wadangnaba Hunabada Nahasingna Tangai Padana Kangadaba Masak Singh Highway Wangangani Taramasibu Miana Saruk Yabiduna Manipuri Matam Ishai Chakonaba Honabada Thaudang Lobio Haina Center Asigi Gerald Amana Hairi Demolition Right Mayukta Khongjang Sangsinba Yaurubadagi Delegate Am Admi Party Apki MLA Amanatullah Khan Delhi Police na Padure Adubo Lokenta Court Amana Bel Pikre Delegi Madanpur Kadar area da Yumkya Takaikre Haina Mapamaduki Miamna Pongdoki Public Servant na Matau Tobada Atingbapi Haibaki Maralda of MLA Khan Pakibani Delegi Kathamba Sarukta BJP na Paiba Civic Body Singda Lam Kausalapa Singbu Taktopagi Tabakana Changchilibani MLA Khana Haikibada Light by Miamgi Yum Kaibukanba Ngamlabadi Maljenda Lay Nabagi Ready the Lady Lam Kopsin Basink Charakbi Bada Isu Supportawi Adamoina Mama Pamasidadi Lam Kopsin Ba Madalate Mamangi Nume Karaniki Mamangda Jahangipur Dasu Lam Kopsin Bagni Haiba Taktok Lubada Kangluki Irang Tokibani Ngasi Masung Hayang Kai Hena Sabaki Wepa Malagani Haina Rajasthan ge Khathang Basarukta Jackson Wapi Kre Nongsu Thangba State Ayambasu Megitang Taratare Pawaka Hena Sagani Haidi Temperature hanaki sabaki changdagi hengakadari Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh amasung Jammu amasung Kashmir gi mafam karada chayol amarom ka hena sagani haire. Gujarat asu mathangi pung kunmarida yamna sagadori Rajasthan gi city karada oiriba sabaki changde Barnada degree Celsius 48, Sri Ganganagarda degree Celsius 47.3, Bikaner gi degree Celsius 47.2, Churuda degree Celsius 47 aduga Ajmer gina degree Celsius 45 ni Delhi gi ngasi oikiba degree Celsius 44 ni Ningthokabada nong suraba yai haidi amaramda Karnataka gi Bangalore dana mausa gi oibadagi degree taramatoi handaraga degree Celsius kulumda oidi Hausak arabada maru eba pau amona pizadi Imbal Dimapur lambida 24/7 matau tawada police ki GPS Highway Patrol Team DGP PAODAM galna kasi Unit Disability ID sabagi tharong kina mula sarili na hosay haina SP DPO President MD Yunus kana pondokre Doyana lamung nada hayrok panana kaksin panada tawkre Image PAODAM ngasi kita matang ngasi daloy jade miyang tabiri besungbo amuka hanak rum sari